All right, welcome to this page of the notes. Again, we're going to be solving absolute value equations. It's going to work exactly the same way as the ones we've been doing. If you've been working ahead, awesome. Continue to do so. Come on back. Check to make sure your answers match mine. And if they don't, just watch the video real quick. See if you can figure out where the mistake is that you made. So here we go, jumping right into it. 8 is equal to the absolute value of y plus 5. Remember, we said the way these work, you got to solve two equations. You must account for the positive and the negative options when it comes to absolute value. So that's what we're going to do. We have the positive. We have the negative. Here we go. I'm going to have 8 is equal to y plus 5. Solve this one right away. This is an easy one. Subtract the 5 to the other side. We're going to have 3 equal to y. Symmetric property to flip it. Hey, let's go ahead and check it. I plug a 3 in for y. 3 plus 5 is 8. Absolute value of 8 is an 8. And so I have 8 is equal to 8. Checks out. Here we go. Next one. Negative 8 is equal to y plus 5. I will subtract, hang on, hold up. That 5 is, yikes. There we go. Subtract the 5 to the other side. Still not that great a 5. You know what? I'm not messing around. But, gosh. Here we go. Beautiful 5s. We want pretty 5s. Oh, yes. Better. Let's subtract that 5 to the other side. Negative 8 minus 5 is going to be a minus 13. Lucky number 13. I don't like that. Symmetric property to flip it. Check your answer. Little bit of mental math here. I plug a negative 13 in for y. Negative 13 plus 5. Yeah, that's a negative 8. Negative 8. Take the absolute value of negative 8. You get a positive 8. And 8 is equal to 8. Checks out. Let's do another one. This one I am really excited about. Here's a great problem because what we're going to wind up with in this problem is fractions. Remember, fractions are friends. So here we go. Let's see how this one works. Still got to do a positive and a negative version. Positive is always the easier one. Let's start there to build our confidence. Then we can try the negative. 9x plus 2 is equal to 29. Well, in order to solve this guy, I got to get that x by itself. That means I need to move the 2 first. Since it's a plus 2, subtract the 2 to the other side. 9x is going to be equal to 29 minus 2, which should be 27. Divide, right? It's multiplying by 9, so we'll divide both sides by 9. X is going to be equal to 27 divided by 9, which does work out evenly. I get a 3. I get 3. Let's check it. A little bit of mental math here. I'm going to plug the 3 in for x. 9 times 3, 27. 27 plus 2 would be 28. 29, and the absolute value of 29 is 29. Checks out. Let's try the negative version. I told you fractions were coming, and we didn't wind up with any fractions in this one, at least fractions that didn't reduce into something nice. So probably they're going to show up on this side. Spoiler alert. Sorry. 9x plus 2 is equal to negative 29. All right, here we go. Exactly the same thing that we did over on this side. I got to get rid of the positive 2. Means subtract it to the other side. 9x is going to be equal. Careful, it's a minus 29. You're subtracting 2. That gets you a negative 31. Oof. Well, yeah, we can see a fraction coming here. I now need to divide both sides by 9. 31 is not divisible by 9, at least not evenly. No problem. Maybe we can reduce it. No, we can't. So this is going to be my answer. And we're going to check it. Great. Awesome. Are we really going to do mental math with fractions? Yeah. Here we go. We're going to plug a negative 31 ninths in for x. This is beautiful. This is great stuff. I'm multiplying 9 by a negative 31 ninths. Guess what cancels? The 9s. So the 9s go away, and you're left with a negative 31. Negative 31 plus 2. Oh yeah. Minus 29. Take the absolute value of a minus 29. You get 29. That guy checks out. Great problem, even though it's got fractions in it. Shouldn't pose any problem to you guys. You are now seasoned Algebra 2 students, and you're all set for this kind of stuff. Head on over to the next page of notes. We'll try something a little trickier. I'll see you there.